Hey guys, welcome back guys. So have you ever wondered what you could do with banana peels? Do you love eating bananas and you're just wondering, what can I do with the peels? Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the amazing benefits of using banana peels for your hair. This can help regrow your damaged hair. This can help stop hair loss. So if you're interested in knowing how I use this for my hair as well as for my kids' hair, then definitely keep on watching guys.
I'm coming in hot.
Alright, welcome back guys. So this is the banana peels I'll be using for this recipe. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it into tiny pieces. So if you haven't used banana peels and you're wondering what banana peels can do for your hair, both banana and yeast peel have antimicrobial properties, and that can help keep all those infection out of your hair, all those dandruff. It helps condition your hair as well. It just makes your hair thrive in terms of growth as well as thickness as well as length retention. It does amazing things for your hair. I've been using it myself. I've been using it for my kids as well. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and transfer this into a pot and then add some olive oil. You guys already know how olive oil is amazing for your hair. Olive oil reduces hair damage, it moisturizes your hair, gives it that shine and softness. It also increases your hair growth. So I'm going in to add this olive oil now. You can use water, you can cook it with water, but I love olive oil because olive oil has extra benefits, because of the properties contained in olive oil. It makes it even richer. So I'm going to add about 5 tablespoons. To be honest, I didn't really measure it, but basically the amount of olive oil you add is going to affect the amount of the oil you get at the end of the day, and also the quality. So don't add too much oil so that the quality remains good. Okay, so another thing you want to do is to cook it on a very low heat. You don't want to fry it. You want to cook it on a very low heat so that it releases all that benefits slowly into the oil. It infuses into the oil slowly. You don't want to fry it and burn it. So yeah, make sure your heat or your stove is on low, very low heat. Okay, so it's been cooking on low heat for roughly 30 minutes, and as you can see, it's almost ready. I'm just going to cook it down just a bit more, and after that we are going to go ahead to sieve it out. Like I said, you don't need to cook it for too long. It has already released all it needs to release into the oil, and yeah, so I'm just going to turn the stove down and then let it cool down for a bit before we go ahead to sieve it out. So this is how it's looking now. I'm going to turn off the stove at this point. I'm going to turn off the stove and then let it cool down completely before sieving it out. So this is the banana peel. It has cooled down completely, as you guys can see or as you can tell. So I'm going to use this my wig cap to sieve it out. This is actually the best thing you can use to sieve out things like that. Just use your wig cap. It does amazing. So I'm just going to strain it out so we get all that good oil that we've been waiting for. So after squeezing everything out, this is what we have. This is amazing for your hair. As you can see, it has infused that banana peel has infused into the oil, and we're just going to go ahead to transfer it into this bottle. So this is it, guys. Your banana peel oil is ready. This does amazing for your hair, like I said, especially if you have dandruff or any scalp issues. If you have dandruff or dry itchy scalp, definitely give it a try. I'm going ahead to apply it to my baby's hair. This is my 5-month-old baby, and yes, I use this because it's organic. It's good for children of all ages, or just basically anybody, right? So I'm going ahead to apply it to her hair, and I'm also going to massage it into her scalp. Yeah, I love this for my children. I love it for myself as well. So yeah, this is my baby showing you guys how good this oil is. So anyways, I'm going ahead to apply it to my cornrows. Yeah, ignore how old this cornrow is, by the way. This, I've had this on for God knows when, but yeah, I haven't seen the time to actually take it down and do a new one. But yeah, I'm going to apply it to the lines of the cornrows. You can apply it to your braids, you can apply it to your just normal, to your hair basically, whether it is in braids or cornrows or anything. So I've been having some hair loss in my edges, so I'm going to apply that to my edges to see if that regrows my hair. So yeah, you guys should stay tuned to see if actually this works. I'm going to be giving my honest feedback. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so you don't miss any video. We also do hairstyling videos for kids, so make sure you stay subscribed to this channel. Anyways, I've just finished applying it to both kids, and yeah, that's basically it, guys. This is amazing for hair. Give it a try. Stop throwing away your banana peels because it has so many benefits for your hair and for your skin as well. So yeah, go ahead and check out our other videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.